We're right here on the outside of the house with our Greywater knockout. We got our open-close gate valve right below it, and this is where the water is going to be coming out of. So what we got for our customer today is, this is a sump pump discharge hose, usually for RVs for the Greywater there. So what we're going to be doing is gluing up a female threaded coupler to attach to the pipe. We're going to cut it down about 6 inches, kind of conceal it a little bit more. Screw on the hose so that he can place the Greywater at any part of his landscape in the front yard, any point at any time in the day. So what I'm doing is I'm just gluing in that inner lip. If I glue any past it, it will seal up the threading, and I won't be able to unscrew and screw off the hose when I want to. So make sure when you glue, don't go too heavy, you know. So the hose clamp right here is to clamp this part of the hose, the plastic part, to the threading. If I was to clamp it before I started threading it, you would see a hose just spinning around as I thread this. But since I haven't clamped it yet, I could do it smoothly. Real fast like. It's all tightened up. So now it's time for me to tighten up my clamp.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions, and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.